Okay, we're gonna jump right in here. We're gonna go to design, uh, create a sketch off the top of the material, create a rectangle. Just got to be a little bigger than the part. And let's go back into manufacturer and sketches there. If it doesn't show up, you can go down in here and turn it on. Now we're going to use the face command. We're going to select 1/4 inch end mill. Feeds and speeds could be whatever you want to put them. Stock contour, we're going to select this instead of letting it choose its own. Model top, stock top, we're going to be 100 thousandths above the top height. And we're going to retract to an inch. So it'll stop an inch above, then 100 above, and then top of the part. Here's our extension. We can go past, and this is the step over. If you go 250, there's no step over. So you got to be under 250. We can even do 0.2. We're going both ways. It's just going to go back and forth. No depth. We're not leaving any stock. And this all stays the same. Now you can see you skim that section. You're on the top of the part. And it's all skimmed. And then I edit everything and actually tell it what I'm doing so I can go back and see. Now, to do the pattern, we're going to take and let's see where it is. Oh, our part here, and we're going to add to a new pattern. So our pattern is we got to select a direction. So we're going that way. We're going to do 2 of them at 5 inches. Additional direction, we're going to do 5 of them at minus 3.5. And we're going to do that as basic. So, oh, it thinks we're going in the Z direction. So we want to change this direction. Oh, select. I didn't select it that way. And 3.5. There we go. So now we have the top of our part and our skim passes in the pattern pass. So if we run it,
I'm going to coherent deliver.
okay. And we can see it's kind of running into it. We can go in and edit the pattern on the 5" here and go 5.5. And I get in the habit of saving often. So that should get it for the top. And I'll do the next here shortly.